What she's doing now?
He's doing the ring now.
What the boys are doing?
Boys are sweeping now.
Shubham, can you tell me what Tushar is doing? Tushar is jumping now. What she's doing now?
He's doing the ring now.
She's rotating rings now. I will tell you what the girls are doing.
The girls are rotating the rings now.
Very good. We can say what the girls are doing. The girls are playing. Understand? This is the way you can say this. Okay, this is an action. You can say. So you can say to explain task by making them question answer method. Ask question and get the answer. This way, yes, can be taught very easily, and they can develop a communication skill. Okay. Can you say what the boy doing? What the boy doing? You can say the boy is pulling the exercise instrument को. What the boy doing? Now how the you have? What the boy doing?
The boy is
ठीक है.
pulling now.
What the boy doing?
The boy is pulling now.
Pulling the exercise instrument now. So pulling ing. This is ing. Why? Because present continuous. Every time we have to ask for any answer. No. What the boy doing now? You can say no. You can say the boy is holding bag. Boy धरछि. Understand? What the boy doing right now? What the children are doing right now?
The children are going to home now.
You can say the children are returning home. और को फेरुचंदी. So right now ସେମାନେ फेरुचंदी. So you can use present continuous ing returning home. और को फेरुचंदी. Okay, listen. What I'm doing now? You can say you are touching the leaf. What I'm doing now?
We are touching the leaf.
Yes, I am touching. When you say you are touching now. What the boys are doing? Tell me what are the boys doing?
The boys are sweeping now.
The boys are swinging. झुलुचंदी. दोली खेलुचंदी. दोली खेलिବାକୁ swinging. Amit, can you tell me what are the boys doing now?
The boys are swinging now.
The boys are swinging now. Stop swinging. Hello. Stop swinging. Go to classroom. You go to home. Lock up and Amit. Amit, can you tell me what the key is doing?
He is opening the lock now.
Open the lock. So everything, so many actions can be there. Opening ing because it is a present continuous because now is used. Apna bar babar. Shubham, can you tell me what Tushar is doing? Tushar is jumping now. Very good. Can say generally is taught by structural method in the classroom. But so many actions is going on here. Right now, so many actions is going on here. So you can explain the tense very easily through that experience. Here I will tell you when you are using now. Okay, Tushar. What the boys are doing?
Now the boys are jumping.
What the boys are doing now?
The boys are jumping now.
Now means present continuous. The action is going now. So you always say they are jumping. Ki kon action kari hole karo.
What they are doing now, they are jumping now.
Okay.
So now Riya is rotating ring now. So what they are doing now? They are talking now. Oh Amit, what do they do now? They are beating now.
Hey.
Amit, what they are doing now? They are beating now. They are playing. What the students doing now? The students are returning to home now. What they are doing now? They are singing now.
What the girls are doing now? What the girls are doing now? The girls are swinging. Understand?